hear the crickets? Look at this little guy. He's trying to get into our tent. Hi guys, we are off to the beach and camping, first time ever, and fishing and just sightseeing as well. There's the troublemaker Gem. Hi! So it's about a 3-hour drive, and the lovely wife is going to do the first half and I'll do the second half. So it's a bit shaky. Didn't get the GoPro mounted onto the windscreen, and just doing a bit of handheld selfie camera today. Alright guys, catch up with you soon. What's up guys? Today we're in Weymouth. Beautiful harbour.
I know it is.
So what are we catching, Gem? We've caught loads of Pokemons already. Come this side, Abu. Let Mum have a look. Gem, you come here. Look at this shop.
They have ice on you.
We're really liking Weymouth. It is beautiful. We arrived a few hours ago. We set up our tent. Portland Bill, some island is over there. We're gonna go there.
What? I swear to God, this guy has 2 Dragonites. Look, that was 1-4. We will take.
Yeah.
And look at this guy. He has a Dragonite as well, and he's at the top.
Wow.
3,000.
Level 7.
32.
3,167 CP.
But he is level 32.
Guys, we're in Weymouth and there's a couple of gyms near here, and they're level 7 each, and a couple of the people are level 32, and one of them's got a Dragonite 3,100. Here, let's have a look. Show us the screen. Let's see. Okay. Look at that. 3,167. Well, it seems these people. I think what's happened is Dragonite a fire Pokemon?
No, it's a dragon Pokemon.
It's a dragon Pokemon, so it must be spawning here, and holiday people are making it awesome. We're just having a little check this out. Check that building out.
I might just wait.
Look at that. That is beautiful, isn't it? You see? Lovely little place. After a warm day, it is really nice and cooling down good. So we're just looking for somewhere to eat, something that we fancy.
Ooh, the beach is just down there.
She wants to go to the beach. She just wants to go to the beach. She wants to swim in the beach. She wants to live in the beach. But we're gonna do some fishing, camping, sightseeing, and see how it goes. We have a Pikachu in the water.
Come back to me.
You got it? Oh, it's only 11. We got Pikachu. We got Pikachu in Weymouth in the water there. But it's only 10 CP, but All Pikachus are cute. We'll take a Pikachu. Jen, you want to give a little wave? So we're in Weymouth Harbour. Beautiful evening. Nice.
I was doing that first.
Hi guys, our first time tent. I'm looking at the tent going tenting. Alright. Our first time camping. Our first night. Can you hear that noise? Actually, I'm going to take this phone out of the cover, guys. Sorry it's going to be a bit shaky. I think people like seeing this mess up. Sorry about the finger. Alright. Listen to this noise. So it's just starting to rain. It's a beautiful day. And hello. So far epic. This is going to be our first night. And we're really looking forward to it. I've got to go out and get washed, but I think I've left it a bit late, and they were clever, they've got their washed, and now the heavy rain is coming. Alright guys, so we'll do some more posts tomorrow. Weymouth has a lot of Pokemon. Today we went there for
and there's a guy called
dinner.
I will catch, I will make, I can't remember. Oh, I will take, and he's like level 32, so...
Yeah, level 32 guys, with
Well,
loads of
it's just
Pokemon as
crazy.
gym leaders.
It's like some crazy losers in here.
Alright guys,
And
peace.
a load of loosish players, but hey.
Can you hear the crickets? Look at this little guy. He's trying to get into our tent.